I got a bone to pick with you, Bambu Lab. I've broken this down into a few sub-assemblies so this doesn't take a fucking hour to film. Yeah, maybe doing this completely from memory wasn't the best way to go about it. I don't know. So when I got the H2D, I asked for a whole bunch of these kits because I don't really print aesthetic things. Everything I do is very boring and practical, and I thought this would be a really easy way to print some things that you guys would like to see, and for the most part, that's been true. What I don't understand is you're designing these kits to be printable and like a neat little project, feel like you've accomplished something cool, but you don't design them with 3D printing in mind at all. Why do you need 9 individual LEDs for something that just pulses on and off? Could you seriously not have just made that a matrix or just one particularly bright LED? By the way, if you've been thinking about buying one of these electric screwdrivers and just can't decide if it's worth it, it totally is. Like, even this crummy little Temu one of the best things I've ever bought. Anything's a drill bit if you use it wrong enough. Pro tip, you can organize your screws by just haphazardly throwing them all over your desk and hoping for the best. That's future use problem, don't worry about it. Just let the ADHD do its magic. It's fine to throw it into plastic multiple times, don't worry about it. Oh gee, maybe you should read the instructions. How about no? You know what, credit where credit's due, that's actually pretty sturdy. Apparently I forgot to print a part, but it's just aesthetical, so I'll just go back and do that later, it's all good. Can't help but feel like I'm forgetting something. That would be because I am. Oh, damn it. Not sure why that had to be a separate piece, but okay. By the way, if you've never used gel super glue before, I cannot recommend it enough. It's going to change your life. Sure. I don't know if that's how that's supposed to go. I've never actually owned an A1, so we're all learning today. It's got screw holes, but I don't think it really needs them. This is quite a tight fit, so I'm just going to leave it as is and use those screws for something else. I think that's everything important. You know, that was a bit of a muck around, but I mean, what a cool thing to put on a desk, honestly. Like, very, very neat. Let's give it a try. Looks like we need to do some adjustments. Okay, panic over. Turns out the Z-axis was just a bit tight, so I used a drill bit to just widen the tolerances a little bit. I really love the glowing effect.